Hello, friends. I'm Sarah, and I've been supporting people with Ayurvedic cleansing for over 25 years. And I continue to offer this because I see the profound benefit it gives people during the cleanse and then for months and years to follow, even. So I want to let you know about my upcoming fall Ayurvedic community cleanse. And the cleanse classes will be taking place in person at the Dialu Center on Bainbridge Island, and they will also be live streamed. So if you live somewhere else, you'll be able to join and follow along just fine. So the cleanse dates are October 21st through 30th, and our intro to the cleanse class will be on October 12th from 11 to 12:30 at Dialu or online. So you might be wondering, is an Ayurvedic cleanse appropriate for me? Why do I need to cleanse? So, Ayurveda suggests cleansing for both healthy people to maintain their health and for those of us who know we have a few accumulated toxins we'd like to release from the body. And so, as you know, there are increased toxins in our food, in our water, and in our air that we breathe. And the method of Ayurvedic cleansing uses different things like ghee and specific foods and specific practices to directly dislodge and eliminate these toxins from the body. Physical toxins, even emotional residue that can be held within us, has an opportunity to release. And when we do this, our body comes back to its innate state of balance and health. And we complete a cleanse like this feeling more light, clear, and inspired for what's next. Another piece of the cleanse at the end of the detoxification process is what's called rasayana, rejuvenation. So you're not simply cleansing and then going on your way. You'll be cleansing, but then restoring and rejuvenating the body with certain foods and practices and remedies. So I'm excited to offer this and to share it with you. It's really lovely to experience something like this in a community of people doing the same thing. You can learn from each other, you can inquire, and we can all enjoy that together. So if you have any more questions, you're welcome to reach out or send me an email or even give me a call. So again, we start on October 21st. The cleanse starts that date, and our intro call is October 12th. Thank you.